Hello students, good morning. This class is for class 4 social studies class, and today we are going to start our new chapter, that's chapter 4, the Great Indian Desert and the Southern Plateaus. So all of you open your book on page number 23 and follow your book. Your first topic is the Great Indian Desert. A desert is an area covered with sand with very little vegetation and receives a very little or no rainfall. So, you know, a desert is a place or area which is totally covered by sand with no soil at all. And you know that sand do not produce any vegetation. Now, location and extent. To the southwest of the northern plains lies the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. It stretches from the Rann of Kutch in Gujarat plains in the south to Haryana in the north. To its east lie the Aravalli Hills, one of the oldest mountain systems in the world. The western desert was formed mainly due to low rainfall and heavy soil erosion in the region over the years. It covers a major part of the western Rajasthan and extends up to Pakistan, Sindh desert in the west. It is about 800 km long and 500 km wide. So it's a quite big desert, isn't it? Now you turn the page. We will see climate, vegetation and life. The summers are very hot and dry and the winters are very cold. Hence it has an extreme type of climate. The day is hot, but during the night it cools down because the sand heats during the day and cools fast during the night. Since there is very little rainfall, it is dry and not many plants grow in this sandy soil. Scattered bushes and few thorny shrubs are found here. As the land is dry and vegetation is scarce, dust storms are common when the hot wind blows. Small hills are formed by moving sand particles, which is called sand dunes. Sand dunes do not remain in one place, they move with strong winds. Due to shortage of water and lack of fertile soil, the population in this area is also small. Many people in the desert lead a nomadic life, moving from one place to another. They are called banjaras. The camel is an important means of transport. It is also called the ship of the desert. Camels have padded feet and can walk long distance without food and water. Water is scarce in deserts. However, there are places where underground water comes to the surface and forms a pool. This pool is called an oasis. Villages come up around this oasis. Date palm, babool, kikar and thorny shrubs grow there. The important cities here are Jaisalmer, Jaipur, Ajmer, Jodhpur and Bikaner. The people of this region wear colorful clothes. The beauty of the desert attracts many tourists from India and abroad. Okay children, did you know Jaipur is called the pink city as buildings in the city are pink in color. Okay, this region also has number of forts and palaces built by the Rajput king and chieftains. The government has built the Indira Gandhi Canal, which gets water from the river Satluj and its tributaries. This provides water to parts of the Thar Desert, which has now become green and the crops like wheat, barley, jawar, bajra and maize are grown